All of you, welcome back once again. So I built my own voting dApp on my own blockchain. So I've deployed the smart contract and performed all the transactions. So by the way, this project is already live on our YouTube channel. So you can simply follow. It is close to 5 hour long content where you're going to build every single thing from scratch, including the smart contract, dApp model, architecture of Web3 integration. That's all you will learn. So I'll come back here in the project. You will find currently it's live. So I have already registered one candidate and a one voter. So if I want to register more user, I can do that. So I can come back here. I can go back to the registration, candidate registration. I need the void address of the user. So I'll come back here. I'll pick this particular void address. So let me copy the address. I'll come back here, pick the image. So I'll click here and don't have any image. So I'll go with the same one, the blockchain coder, and that's what I will provide. And it's going to upload the entire image to our IPFS, which is a distributed network. So I'll come back here, give the name, and let's call this coder. I can give my address. I can give my age. So let's call this 23. Let's give the 23 and let's call this authorized candidate. The moment you will call it, it's going to make a call to our smart contract and it will open up our network. You can see we are connected with our blockchain and performing all the transactions. Click on this confirm and the transaction is happening. You can open up your MetaMask and you can see you are setting up the candidate in the smart contract. So just wait. Finally, our contract is got called and here we got the user who have registered themselves. Now, if you want to come back here, go back to the voter, there you will find you can register a voter. If you go back to the voter list, you can come back here and this is the user who haven't given the vote. So we can simply start giving our vote. I'll come back here. I can go back to the account number. Let's say this, and I have already registered myself. I can come back to the home and I can give my vote. So I can come back here, click on this give vote and it's going to make a call. I'm giving my vote. I'll click on this confirm and the transaction is happening. If you come back here, you will find that I'm giving my vote to this particular candidate and once it will get confirmed, the vote would be registered on the blockchain and here it will give the detail that this candidate got one vote. If you come back to the voter list, there you will find that you have already given your vote. So all the logic we have included in this project is working super phenomenal. So I would highly encourage you to come back here, just follow the complete project. You will understand that how you can design multi-layer architecture, how you can to validate the data before it's passing down into the smart contract, how you can able to take the data in a proper authentication in proper sequence which you can able to consider and follow it, because that's one is the most important thing. You can't take any data from the user. You have to take the validation model into consideration before you pass down into a smart contract. So this project is absolutely phenomenal. If you're absolute beginner, follow this one. And I'm performing all of this transaction on my own blockchain. That's one is really powerful. You can deploy to Solidity, you can deploy to localhost. That's all will work absolutely fine. So you can come back here, you can watch this video in which I have explained that once we get the final source code, how you have to do the setup. All the resources already provided. So you can click here, you can come back to the GitHub repo. There you will find all the model, all the architecture which you need to develop this particular project. So make sure to get the final source code. There you will have all the resources. If I come back to the code section, there you will find that we have this particular models. So this is the complete source code which you will find in which all the network configuration is already done. So Hostly is depreciated. So we are using Sofali for the test network. We are using the blockchain coder. You can also use the localhost. So every single thing is good. All you have to do is to simply come back here to the setup video and watch this video. You will understand all the things that how you have to do the setup, how you can get your environment variable, how you can test that. So every single thing is looking absolutely fine. I would highly encourage you to come back here, follow the complete project and try to build. The more project you will add in your portfolio, it will give you a better understanding about the dApp development and how exactly the application get developed in a decentralized ecosystem. So this project is really powerful for you and you must have in your portfolio. So that's how I have launched my own decentralized voting dApp on my own blockchain, which is working absolutely amazing. So that's the only thing I want to cover in this video. If you really want to master complete blockchain development and learning every single thing from scratch, then you can check this particular bootcamp course where you're going to build every single thing from scratch, where you can check all the models, what application you're going to develop. So that's all you can understand and learn. So make sure to check all of through this. We also have a private blockchain development course. So you can also build your own private blockchain, which you can see. That's all you will find. So I would highly encourage you to follow the complete project. Every single thing would be clear. So that's the only thing I want to cover in this video. If you have any question, any doubt, do let me in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help in that. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.